Hi, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm introducing my latest prize draw, and it's a beauty. The prize is this awesome Supermarine Spitfire Mk.Va in 1/32 scale by the legendary New Zealand company Kotare. The first Kotare Spitfire hit the model making world in 2023 and caused an absolute storm. Kotare kit's got a reputation for extensive research and supreme accuracy, but with good buildability, meaning thousands more modelers could achieve superb results out of the box. This Spitfire 5A is the third mark of Spitfire they have made. When complete, the kit will be 28.5 centimetres long and have a span of 35 centimetres. There are 143 plastic parts in the box. Markings are provided for your choice of an aircraft of 611 Squadron RAF, an aircraft of 54 Squadron RAF, or the aircraft flown by Douglas Bader when he commanded the Tangmere wing in 1941. Now, this kit normally retails for about £90, but you could win it for as little as £1. All you have to do is go to the address shown here. It's in the information box as well. Now, make sure you register, answer a simple question correctly using your skill and judgment, and then you can buy tickets to the draw. Tickets are £1 each, and there are multi-buy options available as well. The draw is open now and runs through to the end of Bank Holiday Monday, the 26th of May 2025. At midnight, my partner company Raffle will automatically and independently select a winning ticket. I'll be contacting the winner by email, so make sure you spell your email correctly when you register. I will then post the kit to the winner entirely at my own expense, no matter where you be. Best of all, 10% of the proceeds from the draw will also automatically be sent to Models for Heroes, a wonderful charity that uses model making to support former and serving members of the armed forces and blue light responder services who are dealing with mental health issues as a result of their service to our country. To find out more about this excellent charity, a link is below. Well, that's it. The draw is open. Thank you so much for watching, and the very best of luck to you if you enter. Goodbye for now.